Are you ready now? Do you look like you're in Florida?
Not yet. I don't have flip-flops on.
Darn. So we just made it to Miami. It is currently 9:30 in the morning, and I think we're a little early, so we're gonna go walk around before we get to the ship. But we flew Edmonton, Calgary, Vegas, had a long layover in Vegas, so we did some exploring, and then took a red-eye flight to Miami. So we're a bit exhausted and really want to get on the ship and get some food, but we're gonna go walk there.
Half-hour walk.
Half-hour walk. With all this, but that's, hey, that's part of the adventure, right?
Yeah.
This is fun, right? Due to COVID, but this is the absolute best. You can get ice cream whenever you want. What will you choose? The best of both worlds?
One swirl, please.
I'm okay, thank you. All right.
Eres la oficial, baby, no de remix, yeah. Todas tus amigas, ese y Miss Me Girl. Todos necesitamos algún día ese feeling, yeah.
We just woke up from like, what was that, like a 2-hour nap? Now we feel great. First morning and we're ready for some food.
Sí.
Vete porque me bautices. Entre la luna y el sol, pegado siento calor, yeah, yeah.
I really don't know. to our first stop, and it's gorgeous. What is your first impression?
It's nice. I love it. It's warm. I haven't seen a beach in a while, so this is...
Yeah. It's gonna be a hot day today. So it's our last cruising day. Tomorrow we're going to Coco Cay, and we just came outside for the first time, and it's just the most beautiful, perfect day. This morning.
Oh.
We're getting all sunscreened up because it's super, super hot out. It's just beautiful. Gonna get some drinks, hit the pool, and just chill, enjoy the ship. 'Cause tomorrow we're gonna be out enjoying some beach, and then it's home time, unfortunately.
It's been a week since I had this bad boy. Oh my god. Nice, I wasn't even recording.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna like spill my orange juice.
At least I'm not gonna dip my bracelet in there.
Babe, we're packing.
Yeah.
This is so sad. Like,
I was hoping you'd surprise me and tell me that we booked another cruise today. But...
and just stay on.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna show you guys Coco Cay, and now we're facing away from it.
We're backing up.
Hold up.